Hello everybody. So this is a process. I wasn't quite happy with my Bendigeidfran print. So basically the scene I'm taking from the story of Bendigeidfran in the Mabinogion is when Matholwch's men look over the water and they see a mountain and a forest and two lakes come towards them, but it's actually Bendigeidfran coming to rescue their sister Branwen. But basically I thought it was going to look more like branches, but I wasn't really happy with it. It wasn't really full, so I asked my partner, like something wasn't working. So I felt the sails down. I really like them like that. I think it could be done some work. Then these are colours of the heraldry of the Welsh kings and stuff that sort of around that time and inspired by as well. So yeah, can't wait to be up on Ko-fi.